Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Purnama. I am from Universitas Ameka Unjuk Jakarta. My student ID is 17.62.0110. If I become a president of the Republic Indonesia, for the next 5 years, I have the following vision, mission, and strategy for Indonesia to be a better nation. My vision is improve and equitable education. Second, improve status of each regional head such as governors and mayor. Third, development and improvement of regional infrastructure. And the last, improvement in environmental quality. My mission is changing the current education system such as elementary, junior high school, which is, in my opinion, at the 3-level students are more focused on expert in the academic field, without paying attention to the career or goal of the student in the future. Meanwhile, in the future, I want to differentiate the education obtained at each level, starting with students who will learn more about being kind to God, human, the environment, and the other creatures, and they begin to recognize the basic of academic and non-academic field, focusing on the chosen and desired field, honing skills without leaving moral education, religion, general education such as mathematics, language, and citizenship. Then directing out or providing a place for students to apply their skill by providing training jobs or internship for students at the end of the high school age, where students are expected to confident in their knowledge and skills while in a more professional class. Indonesia is a large country. It takes participation of every regional head to jointly build this country. Therefore, if I become a president in the future, every region will get the same equality as the special regions of Yogyakarta and Aceh. That is, the governor can regulate policies or development in his area. This solution is also expected to be effective in realizing vision number 3, namely the development and improvement of infrastructure that is evenly distributed in each region. The first development and improvement of regional infrastructure that I did was to continue what was started by the previous president by making access roads that could make it easier to access areas that were far away or underappreciated, because with easy access, development would also be easy, as well as attracting the attention of tourists to the area. Improvement in environment quality, I mean the quality of the water, soil, and air in Indonesia. I see a lot of waste produced by factories that cause harm to local residents, destroy ecosystem, kills living things, cause burns area, and much more. I will be more assertive in applying the regulation in Undang-Undang Nomor 32 tahun 2009, an article pasal 103 dan 104 of the law which regulates waste and fines and penalties. Accountability of companies that violate an improvement to the surrounding ecosystem are mandatory things to do. And my strategy is to determine the best education system for Indonesia. I will work with professors and train and teachers in Indonesia to improve the quality of educators, because I believe that good student come from the good quality teacher, as well as cooperating with countries that have proven successful in providing good education and producing good and equal and quality generation. Cooperating with local vendors in the field of massive development. People's opinion, suggestion, and criticism are the most influential for the future development of Indonesia. I want to provide a special organization where all is stored online, open, and visible to all citizens. How I start the lead process. I will start my leadership by analyzing and classifying the types of problems that are happening in Indonesia and sorting it from the most urgent level or most rushed to be resolved to the safest be resolved in the future. Explained my vision to the member of government and the people is, I think that by displaying data and accurate explanation can explain to them about my vision and mission and can get support from them. Even if there is majority who doesn't agree with me, a discussion will be held so that a mutual agreed decision can be made. And how I deal with the problem. Problems are very natural things to happen, especially at the national level. When a problem occurs, what I will do is classify the problem. Does it include internal problem, namely from the people, or even external, like from foreign countries or attack from other countries? If it is classified as an internal problem and occurs in an area, I will cooperate with the minister concerned with the problem, such as health minister or economic minister or social kind of their problem in people. to coordinate with the regional head or governor. If the problem comes from a foreign country and from outside the Indonesia, of course it will be discussed together with the Minister of Defense or even with other countries through their international agencies that take care of related matters such as United Nations or PBB, WHO, and others. And how I deal with COVID-19, to deal with this pandemic problem such as COVID-19, of course, at this time we must reflect on other countries that have the same situation as Indonesia, where Indonesia is a large country and is spread over several islands. So policies from one or many area not necessarily be used in other area. What is certain that the first thing I do is to close door in all places, such as closing airports, trains, boat and ports, which are in general not logistical and urgent. According to the vision number 2, which I mentioned, governor and regional head can manage their own territory. So policies such as lockdown will be left to governor whether they are needed or not. And then country's economy must be prepared to slump temporarily and recovery completely, rather than holding back from slumping by running the economic as usual, but also not recovering from the pandemic for a long time. My leadership style is that I apply is to combine discussion with the people and the government and use new ideas that I have never been used by a previous president. I think visionary and democratic is the right style with my style. Thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.